Well, the topic says everything is BOSH without, yeah,
Gosh.
DOSH. Sorry. So it's a it's our life is like a roller coaster ride. Of course, we can see ups and downs. We have to encounter with bumpy ride as well. So for that reason, we need money. That's why the topic says everything is worthless without money. Money.
Are you
what it
favoring the
rep-
motion? Are you
yeah,
favoring
of
the
course
motion?
I'm favoring the motion.
Carry on,
I'm eye
please.
to eye with this motion
Go
because
ahead.
everybody wants to be the peak of the power, so-called power. And now in our daily life nowadays we can get it from the money, so-called bucks. Why? Whenever you get the bucks, you get the power to influence people. You can get to tell them what to do or not to. If I talk about those people who are who just want, if I talk about the basic essential purpose of the money, that's first is to earn bread and butter. It's very important because when a man is living his life to just continuing his from home to tomb, it's very important for a person to get food, get dressed, and the third and important thing is shelter. If you need these three of things, it's very necessary to get the support from this so-called money from for that you can get those things. It will help you to earn, to learn, and to achieve what you want.
Okay, Miss Falta, I would like to cut you short here.
Yep,
Please pay attention to my question.
sure.
Do you think so? Out of 100% thing or the things we can buy help of money?
um
Attentively answer it.
well, let me think
Then
first.
my next question I will put to you.
Okay. So, as you told, of course not. It's quite impossible for everybody
But
to.
of course not. You mentioned.
Can I just
Of course you not mentioned.
Yeah, but I have to just finish.
Just a minute. Of course you not mentioned.
Yeah.
Then
To
how?
some extent.
Yes.
some
Now
extent.
comes
Can
to
I,
some
can I
extent.
just
Please.
explain a bit? That's why
Please.
you can understand my point. If I talk about you told that 100% of things you can't get in your life. It's a lie. In the very
What a
beginning-
person wants, what a person doesn't want is not the question. The straightforward question goes to you. If a person wants to
Yeah, I'm coming
fulfill,
to- that's why
if a person wants to fulfill all his desire with his help of money, can it possible for him to get it? Yes or no? One word
to
answer.
some extent, yes, because I'm also
2007, yes. Okay. Now my second
I-
question goes to you. How it's possible for a person to earn the trust of a person help of money?
I told-
Because at present this is the biggest issue. A person cannot trust a person blindly. A person cannot trust a person keeping eyes wide open. Even how it's possible your money can help a person trust to earn?
here you told about those trusted people who wants to trust to someone else. If I tell means if we can see Ratan Tata as well, the legend. He did a lot of things with the help of money to the John Q. Sorry, to the John Q. Of course, they need help. Those people are panhandled in the platforms. We can help them with our money. It's not about the trust, of course. In this world, no one is trustable, 100% trustable, of course. Trustworthy. So it's a ridiculous. I'm so sorry, but it's a BOSH question after all. That's you can't say 100%.
Question is BOSH.
I think so, sir, but you can't.
There is no DOSH.
Yeah. It is because if you don't have the money, you can't. Means if you need a deep pocket as well to help those people that they can trust you. It's very important to influence. That's why I told power is something that can influence people. And here the thing replaced the power replaced by money. That's why I
If
told
that be the case, if your statement is highly means to the point. So why till now, based on my knowledge, what I understood till now, there are many people they look for a trustworthy guy. Why and what is the basic reason?
Because the gods
Yes, the gods.
betrayed. No,
The gods.
God, G-O-T, God.
Yes, GOT got what?
I'm not saying gods.
Okay, carry on please.
So they got betrayed by someone. It's not about money.
That is the question. Now, betray is not always all about the financial. That's why I asked you very beginning at the
But-
very beginning.
But
That
to
can
some
it
extent, we are talking about the trust. Trust is a very important role in our life. I really agree with you. But one thing, if
Mute
you
your-
got hurt,
mute
yeah,
your-
if you got hurt, if you want to, if you are just in a blue, you have to get out of this situation. It's very important. So to face the weather, to weather the storm, it's very important for you to like free yourself. Like if someone like me, if I'm depressed for something, so I will try to make my mind cool as soon as possible, of course, because if my mental health is not okay, I am totally going down anywhere in my
if that be the
career.
case in a relation, let me give you another one instant. If that be the case, let's take the example of a couple, unmarried couple. They are in a relation for a long span of time. Suddenly, either he or she has broke up. Now, what about the trust? The alternative others kept for another one. At that particular point in time, rapidly it has found in under all circumstances he or she is haywire. Is it not possible for them?
What is the meaning of aware?
Haywire means that they simply destroyed
Okay.
what they were. At present, they are not having a beat quality also in there. What they were, they are not up present at beat also. So for that reason, if that be the case, so money can change their lifestyle. But most of the cases, now you may tell many
At
cases,
first,
Satya.
Mr. Rao, you have to understand that if something will begin, it has an end as well. So you can't say they can't do that. I think
If
your
that be the
head is in
case,
the cloud. I'm so sorry.
if that be the case, if that be the case, then it is absolutely wrong loving somebody. Then you may call on the
Can't love,
carpet
but
the love.
if you don't have money, you can't purchase your basic
I didn't say.
things.
I didn't say a single
No,
time.
love will not come.
I
Love
didn't
will
say
not-
a single time that if you don't have money, then you can go for the love. Try to listen to me carefully.
But here the
If
main
both
thing
the
is-
couples, if both the couples are highly in a very better position financially, still after being 10 years in a relationship, if the relationship comes to an end from either side, so at that time, why one of the lovebirds cannot change the lifestyle of his or her in a different fashion with the help of the money? Most of the cases given, I can give instant example. That's why I'm going to stand on my own feet. What I'm
Their
saying.
mental health, it's their mental health.
Now we may talk about mental health. How
We
can
can
it possible?
question them for
How
you
can
will
possible?
go-
That's why I asked one of the
you
co-speakers.
have a life,
That's
you have
why
a life.
I've
I can
asked one of the
force you to tie
co-speakers.
a
Listen
knot
to me,
with a-
please.
with a
Listen
girl,
to me,
of course.
please. You have no right to argue with me. First, listen to me.
Sure.
If that be the case, then why richest men couples are going to be given the divorce? If that be the case, whatever you are going to say is logically accepted
I don't
in the
think
society.
it's my pigeon at all to think
What is your
about them.
pigeon is not the
My
pigeon to the
pigeon is a
society.
basic-
What the
Mr.
society is
Rao,
pigeon,
let
that should
me
be a
finish
pigeon.
first. Just I'd like to
Please, carry
request
on.
you to let me finish first.
Carry on, please.
Because the basic things we need is money to buy, or if you talk about those couple, once they were dating, of course, for that reason they need money to buy a.
Did I disagree with that?
No, I'm just.
Did I disagree with that?
How would I know you didn't? Tell
I
me
didn't
that?
disagree. From the very beginning, I've been telling I didn't disagree. I think that it is not clear to you what I wanted to know from you.
You-
The question I'm repeatedly telling, too well established. Too well established, the couples are started their relationship. Financially well established.
Okay.
After continuing
Okay.
certain length of time, minimum 5 years, suppose they have continued.
Okay.
After that, suddenly, one of the love member has
They thought that
swing.
Yeah.
Now the question is that the person who trusted him, what about him or her?
Like of course everyone can't see the world with the the tinted, yes, it is right. Tinted glass. No, no, no. There's a red tinted. There's a, so coming up,
Tinted glass.
tinted glass, of course. You can see, like, you have to face the harsh truth. No one will definitely wanna live a dog's life. If it is, why don't you ask about, just if you don't you think about those situations when they are in a relationship, when they tie the knot, when they just walk down the aisle with each other. So what about those life when they spend after this marriage? They spend the time with each other after the marriage. Then maybe there's something problematic. Maybe there will be a domestic violence. Can be. We don't know. We can't say, we can't blame someone that you are just doing well. You have deep pockets. Why you just yeah, hefty pockets? Why can't you? Why did you just give the divorce to your lady? It's so worthless.
No, it's not possible for you to understand from outside. First, you have to
That's
understand
why.
very well.
That's why.
You have to walk in his shoes.
That's why, sir, I think we easily blame them. We thought they will carry the can, but we don't know. Maybe they carry a lot of responsibilities, but after that, when they decided to walk away, it's their opinion, it's their choice, of course. We can't put a question on them.
That
It's their
absolutely
life.
bang on. Absolutely bang on whatever you have said. Once again, I'm going to tell I
Now
have no
coming-
disagreement with her. But my question is that as she has already stated the statement, she is flowing with the motion. So that's why my question is that whenever a person wholeheartedly trusts a person under all the circumstances, so under which way a person is going to disagree the proposal of the love or the marriage? That is my simple question to her. So if they have that particular right, they can do so. So now what about the person who was betrayed? The person can change his or her lifestyle with the help of the money. He has a lot of mazuma.
We need the sauce.
Yes, but still they are going to be dipsomaniac. But out of the dipsomaniac, that result, they are going to be more poor in health and mentally, but not going to be out of the trauma that somebody has betrayed me.
Maybe because of poverty of their
Yes, as well as going to be. That is why I asked her the simple straightforward
Sometimes
question.
it will definitely seems like the grass is greener on the other side of the fence.
See, I think that she is trying to sir boost around the question answer session.
around
Not
the bush.
A bit around the bush of the question answer session. I don't
But
wanted to
talking about
listen
the trust,
any pies of her straightforward questions. She has already agreed the topic. My question goes to a straightforward. Once again, I'm repeating. If everything can possible with the help of the money, then why a person cannot change his or her mindset in the bad position also being whatever be the reason is behind it?
here,
Why a
here
person,
you
especially
answered
the
the question, Mr.
rich
Rao.
guy, is
Here,
unable to change
he
his or her
answered the
mind?
question with the help of the money. If someone can change their mind, then it's maybe is an effect of his mind that they got divorced. When someone
That was his question of self-explanatory.
kinda, if I just explain it in a deeper way, if someone is I've already told, power is something that we all want in our life to influence people, of course, to get the power, what we want, who we are, to
But the power also need to be in the right hand, do you know?
right, and of course,
Right hand.
but
Suppose,
when-
for example,
when
if you give a knife
when
to a
it's-
monkey and if you give a same knife to a child, so both the things are same. Equally, if you give a knife to an very well educated person, even not even well matured, the person knows how to use the
at
knife.
first to buy
It
the
is someone
knife,
like
I
that.
need
She is
money.
going to talk about the
To buy
power,
the knife
but the
also,
power
I
should
need
go in the
money.
right hand. Otherwise, the power will be misused.
Are we talking about money power?
Yeah,
Manpower, manpower.
if I talk
No,
about
she's talking about
here,
absolutely the
point
currency
is
power.
money. So,
Money power.
yeah, for
Manpower. Manpower is not so important.
no, manpower is important, but it will definitely with the help of money. A man will definitely build up his power with the help of money. Without help of money, he can't. If we talk about the historical,
This, film artist, Audrey Bobby, film artist of yesteryear,
okay,
she remained dead in her apartment for 3 days. There was none to look after her. She had lots of works because she was a movie actress. But she remained dead in her own apartment for 3 days. Afterwards, the milk delivery boy discovered that bad offensive odor was coming from that room. Then other people broke in and they saw that she was lying dead. So she had money. Money power she had, but she had no manpower. And that's a pathetic condition.
That's really pathetic.
But you have
of course.
said that everything else is BOSH. Only what matters is DOSH.
Sir, I think I remember when I just joined the institute. Once I heard from Mr. Hajra, "Money is honey." That definitely, I think, is a prettiest word. I think so because money that can change everything, money that can destroy everything. If you have money, of course, as my co-speaker Ms. Chakraborty told, that money has two sides. Money has two sides of a coin. One is positive, one is negative. How we're gonna handle it? It depends on us. Sometimes we are not. Of course, the Rome didn't build in one day, so it's very.
I had my money and my friend.
Hmm.
I lent my money to my friend. I asked my money of my friend. And I lost my money and my friend. So money is creating the trouble there. You are losing both your money and your
That's
friend.
of course a troublemaker, sir.
Yeah.
It's a troublemaker, of course, but if you don't
So how
have,
can it be everything?
sir, I think when you have your friend, means when you called your friend as your fam, like you are just giving the money to him, you just borrow the money to him. So here, the money talks. If you have money, why he comes to you? Of course, there's an exceptional things, of course, about friendship.
Money will invite a lot of trouble.
Yes, a trouble as well, but for the living being, it's essential. Essential. Of
That is
course.
100% right from the very beginning. I am telling why you are harping on a same point. I cannot understand. Man has told that for the essential good purpose, for the essential living lifestyle purpose, money is not at all required. Money definitely required. But apart from that, there are many activities in our lives we do so on a regular basis in general. So is it at all possible for us to get all the
What
things?
sort of?
Okay, now let me give you one clear cut example question.
Okay.
Is it at all possible for a rich guy to hit the sack peacefully without a sleeping pill? He cannot go, but whereas it is a pavement dweller or a slum dweller, he enjoys his sleep whole night without having nothing. But whereas it is in the rich family, he has everything, but he has no comfort sleep.
After taking class of children.
Yes, even not only the means hooch, even along with the hooch, maybe two pops of sleeping pills. He is means disturbed whole night, is awake, but his bank balance is overflowing.
Sleep.
Yes. So what about that?
Yeah. So if you're talking about white knights, maybe it's his problem. Maybe.
One day maybe, 2 day maybe, but it should not be on a regular basis.
That's why
He is going to order in the drug store on a regular basis 1 or 2 strips. Why so?
That's why. That's
He has
why.
money. Why he is able to buy his comfort sleep?
Okay,
Whereas
okay,
it is
let
a
me-
poor guy is
just,
able
One
to.
thing I would like to say that if you have some problems like health issues, you can't stay there. That why I'm not getting well.
The treatment required.
Yeah, treatment required.
For that treatment, it needs DOSH.
Yeah, of course.
They required.